Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Pest Office. This video is all about trying to create landing pages with Mailerlite, but that video won't stop here. If you stay until the end, you'll also figure out how to do one single step that will convert your simple landing page or an offer that you're making on a landing page into something substantially more powerful and that has potential to increase the stickiness rate of what it is that you're offering, increase your customer lifetime value, and also boost your profits and revenue by doing one simple thing. Now, for your reference, I'm using Mailerlite, and Mailerlite is an email marketing software that also comes with a landing page and funnel builder. I'm going to show you how exactly you go about building funnels by using nothing more than Mailerlite and absolutely no other third-party software required. Please go to pestprofit.com/Mailerlite and get yourself a copy and get started for free. This is how you go about building landing pages in Mailerlite, but I'll also show you a simple trick on how to boost the power of sales funnels and landing pages right inside this video. On the screen, you're looking at a Mailerlite landing page builder. And if you're noticing, this is not how it will probably look like when you first get started with any template inside your Mailerlite landing page builder. So to get here, click on the top left corner here to go to your dashboard. And here is where you go to sites and click on sites on the left side panel, which is where you will get to landing pages. This is the one that I've been working on, and this is how your landing page will look like initially. A few things that might have been added onto your template already, but you don't have to actually go with it. You can build it completely from scratch, and I'll show you how to go about it. Now, typically when you get started with the sites option inside your Mailerlite, you will notice that there is a logo here. Then there is a full navigation menu that shows up here that says home, contact, gallery, and so on, which is typical of websites. You're not going to build a website here, you're going to build a landing page, and for that reason you need to remove this, or you have the option of not showing a logo also. Get to settings here, and by default this is set to on. If you click on it, the whole navigation thing goes away. Remember that landing pages are all about a distraction free environment and a distraction free page, so that when visitors get to your landing page, they do not have anything distracting on that page. No moving sliders, no extra links, nothing on that page is going to distract your visitor from taking that singular call to action or the offer that you're making on that landing page. And this is where you can add a section. If you click on add a section, the left side panel will start showing you options to add sections here. You could go with your typical hero section. You drag and drop the section here, and your section is going to be created here. You start adding all of the elements that make for the hero section of your landing page. So I'm going to create an offer that says Facebook ads management for Shopify stores. Notice how focused I'm getting. It's not Facebook ads for any business. It's not Facebook ads for service providers. It's not Facebook ads for content creators. It's Facebook ads for Shopify store owners only for a monthly fee. And I'm going to add a little more here. There goes my subheading, and I have the option of making changes to these buttons. Just click on the button, use your left arrow key and your right arrow key to make changes to the button. I'm going to say something as simple as subscribe now. So I'm going to add something that says get a free audit or get on a call. So there you go. I've added all of the little checklist items so people get a quick glimpse as to exactly what it is that I'm trying to offer for a monthly subscription fee. And then I could come here, click on this little button and change the color to something that's a lot more relevant to my brand. To make changes to your button on Mailerlite, ensure that you get to the extreme left side panel here and click on style. And this is where you have your default brand styles. You can actually make changes to the typography, call to action, and more. Make changes to the primary button here. And I'm going to change the background to something that's a lot more relevant to my brand. I could get to this particular color, but you get the idea. This is how a landing page is going to look like. Now, to further substantiate my offer, I could probably add more sections here. Click on add a section and get to more content. For example, I could add images, I could show case studies, I could do a lot of that. I could also add social proof here, maybe add a bunch of testimonials, drag and drop and add a bunch of testimonials. You could actually click on this entire section and delete it. This is where you delete it. On the top right corner, you get a mini menu of sorts, and just click on that and it deleted. If you want to delete, you can also delete this entire section here by making sure that you get to settings. Also remove page footer. So I remove the page footer. There's nothing more that's showing here. Now what's going to happen, and here's the important part, is that if somebody were to click on subscribe now, link people directly to my page here, when they click on that little button, if they come to one of my services here on subscribe, they would be able to go ahead, get to this particular page and subscribe, add to cart and go on. And here's where the important part comes in. This is a singular page and this itself is a landing page. For all practical purposes, if you had an ad somewhere and that was promising the exact same thing, that is completely managed Facebook ad for Shopify stores, and if they clicked on that ad, they would come to this landing page and take action here. So either they subscribe to your offer or they don't subscribe to your offer. After somebody signs up on this page, let's say you had a form here and I'm going to add a message here and then redirect to a success page. If you notice what I'm doing on the right side panel, there's an option to leave a message or you can have a redirect. When you click redirect, what happens after somebody signs up on this form is that they are redirected to an external URL, which is an option, or they can go to a success page, which we're going to come to, and this is where the magic happens. On the top left side panel here, where you see landing page, you also have the option of a success page. This is where you design your success page after somebody takes action on your main landing page. This is normally what you see for most businesses. Here is where you have the option of building what is called as a secondary landing page, where you will make what is called as a one-time offer, also called as OTO in marketing circles. What you will do here is that instead of having people go to a page that just says thank you and you'll hear from us soon, this is a lovely opportunity for you to make a one-time offer that you will not make any other time on any other channel. What you're going to do is delete this particular part and add a section here, which is again designed like a typical landing page. And here is where you make a one-time offer. If you can imagine what I've been going through with this particular landing page, initially I made an offer to help manage Facebook ads for your Shopify store. And now what I'm going to do is make highly relevant offer, but I'm going to clearly mention that this is a one-time offer. So you have a one-time offer here, you have the heading of that particular service or product that you wanted to sell, a subheading here. Normally, if I were to sell this particular service for a business on a monthly recurring basis, it will normally be $699. Now, I'm giving you an example here. Let's assume normally it was a $699 offer per month. I'm going to offer it only at $299, only for one time. You have the ability to now create a sales funnel, as it's called. Also, you have the ability to create an upsell or a downsell or a cross sell, depending on how your business is and what it is that you do with your business. So what could have been an average monthly subscription fee of around $699? And that's what would have happened if they just clicked on my Facebook ads management services. Now you have the ability to add on or slap on another service to the existing service, which now increases my transaction from just a 699 to 699 plus 299 just by adding this extra page. You can also see that the average customer lifetime value has also increased. So this is how you do your sales funnels with Mailerlite. And just as a reminder, if you would like to use Mailerlite, do get yourself a copy of Mailerlite at bestprofit.com/Mailerlite. I hope this video helps you try to create your sales funnels and landing pages with Mailerlite. If you have any questions with respect to Mailerlite, with email marketing, with your advertising, with your Facebook ads, Google ads, please do reach out to me using the links in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and reach out to me. If you like the video, please do like it and share it. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.